all for coming here to be in this moment and just feel this, my happiness. Never thought about writing a cookbook, but here I am with 2 cookbooks. And I'm really glad that I started this journey, because when I first started, I wasn't really sure what I'm doing. I knew that I love food, I love cooking, I love photography, and I have a degree in design. What am I gonna do with all this all together? Then I met my husband, and he told me, cookbooks. You don't know about cookbooks? So I was like, cookbooks, books? Like, I'm going to write books, like, you know. I thought, I just want to write a book for me. So my husband told me, you know what, you have been talking about this international cookbook. Why don't we just sit down, relax, and then just cook, right? And there was a lot of fresh produce in Nepal. So I was like, you know what, I think that is a great idea. Let's just focus on cooking and eating and nurturing this baby. So next 4 months was just like cooking and enjoying life. We're celebrating and we're just eating whatever I want. We had a plan that when we go to Lexington, first we're gonna grow our small garden. And then in Nepal, when the baby is 5 or 6 months old, we do rice weaning. So the baby eats their first food. And I was like, my baby's first food should be from the garden. Let's just grow a garden, like, you know. And then baby happened after the garden. And then 3 months in, my publisher tells me, would you like to write a second book? And I think you should just go ahead and write the second book while we are growing our garden. It's perfect timing. When I got the book offer, my garden was just producing. It was June and July and August and September. There was just so much produce that I didn't even know what to do. And then a lot of recipes, to be honest, also came because I had so much of this cilantro or like, you know, dill, beets, a lot of other stuff. While I was doing my work, this 10 years has been a long journey where I have discovered that I'm a culinary artist. I like to grow, I like to cook, I like to photograph, I like to design, and I like to work with other food artists and food heroes. My work is so like interconnected with all these people, and I am just so happy to like even discover what I want to do in my life. I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. We need to take a group picture because I would like to remember this moment for the rest of my life.